What's up, Tech Fam? Today, we're discussing a common issue that can be extremely frustrating: corrupted PDF files on your USB drives or external storage devices. These corruptions can occur due to various reasons, such as sudden power outages, system crashes, or even malware attacks. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves to store files on the go, losing access to important PDFs can be a real bummer. But fear not, because we've got a solution that's going to make your life a whole lot easier. Introducing Stellar PDF Repair, a powerful tool that can fix corrupted PDF files from your USB drives and external devices in just a few clicks. Here's how it works. First, download and install Stellar PDF Repair from the link in the description box below. Once you've installed it, launch the software and add the corrupted PDF file you want to repair. The software will then analyze the file and identify the issues. Next, click the Repair button, and Stellar PDF Repair will work its magic. It will first attempt to reconstruct the file structure, then repair the damaged parts, and finally, restore the file to its original state. Depending on the file size and the extent of the corruption, this process might take a few minutes. But trust us, it's worth the wait. Once the repair is complete, you'll see a preview of your fixed PDF. If everything looks good, you can save the repaired file to a safe location. It's essential to save it to a different folder to avoid overwriting the original corrupted file. Stellar PDF Repair is super easy to use and supports a wide range of PDF formats. It can even repair PDFs that are partially damaged or won't open at all. So don't let corrupted PDF files on your USB drives or external devices get in the way. Download Stellar PDF Repair today and start repairing your files. Click the link in the description box below to get started. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tricks.